Hi friends, how are you doing today? Are you planning to take the IELTS exam in next couple of days, that is the 12th of August? If yes, then continue to watch this video till the end as I have some important information to share with you. You can be in any part of the world. In India, you may be going to take the IELTS exam in any of the state or any of the city, or you can be in any other country where you are going to take the IELTS exam on 12th of August. I want you to make use of this video. Just hit the comment section, use it as a platform where you come across students from all different parts of the world going to take the exam on this date. It would help you to interact with the students and find some friends probably in your own city or going to take the exam at the same venue. All that you have to do is share your name. If you don't want to, it's fine. Share the city where you are going to take the IELTS exam, and if you already have the update whether it is going to be a morning or evening slot, you can share that. And for the next 2 days, keep on sharing the important information that you have related to the IELTS exam. For example, sharing your speaking exam experience. If you already had your speaking exam, don't hesitate to share your exam experience with the students. And if you are going to take it after the exam, please share at least the cue card so that we get to know that if the examiners have already started to ask the new cue cards. By any chance, if you have missed your speaking slot, my WhatsApp number is flashing. Get back to me and let me see if I can help you with the rescheduling of your speaking. Well, now the question is that how you be spending the next couple of days. I highly recommend that if your speaking exam is not over yet, continue to read the speaking booster that you should have purchased for the preparation of your IELTS speaking exam, and writing booster that would be containing the latest essays and academic task ones that would help you to perform better in your writing exam. And with the sample answers of these latest essays and task ones, we are going to update this book very shortly, and it would really help you to practice better for your writing test. I hope you have lots of reading study material at home. Continue to practice and get into the mood of attempting the 40 questions in 1 hour. The more you invest time on reading, beneficial it would be for you, because it would get you into the practice mode of attempting 40 questions in 1 hour. So start working on time management. Improve your skills. If you have trouble with the MCQs or locating the headings of the passages, I have lots of videos on YouTube available. Check out my reading playlist. It would benefit you greatly. And I would also recommend if you can find partners here with whom you can practice speaking. So it would give you the opportunity to practice with your friends and have a healthy conversation of approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour every day. For listening, attempt 2 to 3 tests every day for the next couple of days, and that too you can find in the listening playlist on this channel only. I hope you would do really good on the exam and you will sit in the exam confidently. And I'm grateful to you for following me on this channel, Raman Coaching, and please recommend your other friends to subscribe this channel. That's pretty much all from my side in this video, my dear friends. Take care.